Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by wiring the scene. Create 2 camera 2D nodes and 2 viewport nodes, then assign each camera to its matching viewport so each view renders independently. Once done, set each viewport size to your target resolution and enable transparent background if overlays are needed. Make sure to configure input masks now so controls route to the proper player instance. This avoids shared input conflicts. Finally, instantiate the player scenes under the correct cameras so visuals and input are aligned from the outset. Next, you convert each viewport output into a viewport texture and assign that to a texture rect for on-screen display. Once done, position the texture rect side by side for a vertical split or stacked for a horizontal split, then set stretch modes and margins so pixels remain crisp. Make sure to tweak each camera 2D zoom and limit settings so both players keep focus correctly. If one player moves fast, increase margin or smoothing. Finally, lock GUI elements to a separate canvas layer to avoid scaling issues. To finish, verify input routing. Map keys or gamepad ID explicitly to each player and test control response. Once confirmed, optimize performance by turning off processing or physics in viewports that aren't visible or by lowering render resolution for one view. If you see visual lag or desync between views, make sure both cameras use the same fixed time step and enable interpolation. This preserves consistency. And if a viewport shows a black area, confirm its size matches the texture rect and that the viewport is set to render 2D.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.